In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating a seller account on Temu. To get started, open your web browser and visit the following link, according.pin.com/login/register. This website is the parent company of Temu, and you need to register here first before becoming a seller on Temu. Note that the website is primarily in Chinese, but you can easily translate it using Google Chrome. To do this, right-click on any part of the website and select Translate to English. Now, you can proceed with the registration process. Enter your phone number, set your password, and input the 6-digit verification code sent to your phone. Click Register, and you'll be directed to another page where you need to provide information about yourself as a merchant. The information required is essential for verifying your identity as a Temu merchant. Once you complete this step, you may need to wait for a few days or weeks for your account to be created. If there are any issues or delays, you can contact Temu support at seller@temu.com for assistance with your application. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If it has, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel.